So here is the chat itself. You just go to bartgoogle.com, and then yeah, you can just see all the different prompts, just example prompts. It's kind of similar to ChatGPT. Like yeah, again, there is no App Store, iOS app, Android app. So and then, for example, if we just try to write a poem, whatever. You can just see the differences. One of the differences is that it's actually faster than ChatGPT. As you can see, the poem was generated instantly, while in ChatGPT and its clients, its other apps, you will see like it's the text slowly going line by line. So in Google, Bard is actually instant. So it's pretty cool, it's faster. And then here you can edit your prompt, you can see other drafts, you can instantly see other drafts generated, and then you can regenerate those drafts. So it's kind of this message just instantly generates like 3 messages at a time. So that's cool. And then here you can like it. You can also Google it, you can dislike it, and then you just tap share. You can easily export to Docs or Google Docs or draft in Gmail. So that's pretty cool feature where you can, you want to draft some email, and then you can just use it easily and just, sometimes just, create some cold email or some sequence, some work email. That can be quite useful. And then you instantly export it to Google Docs. Then you can copy it. If you just don't like it, you're gonna report it. And then also you can just search related topics instantly in Google. So as we've seen, Google sees Google Bard only as a complementary resource right now to Google search. Hopefully it doesn't see it the thing which will completely replace all Google search, but we never know. Google also told a lot of things in the past. But there are a lot of stakeholders in Google search. Google search is much bigger than Bing. It's, and there are a lot of stakeholders. There are like people, users, there are publishers, bloggers, creators, there are companies, businesses. And if Google just instantly replaces everything with Google Chat, of course, probably is the future, but there can be some issues with that. So I think Google will be a bit more careful than Bing with that. So here you just have all of these features and try it out. It's free. Again, you can only use it if you're in US. Just try it out with your Google account and give it a try.